and good day to everyone. So let's continue with chapter 6. So before this, we learned about measurement of flow. Now we move to measurement of liquid level. Okay, so what is liquid level measurement? Is to measure the quantity of liquid held in a container or vessel. Okay, next, why we needed liquid level measurement? Okay, liquid level affects both pressure and rate of flow in and out of the container, and therefore its measurement and control becomes important to a lot of processes in modern manufacturing plant. Okay, so liquid level measurement ni adalah penting ya, terutamanya dalam kilang ataupun berbagai industri lagi lah. Okay, oil and gas. Okay, ni dalam bidang otomotif pun penting juga. Okay, and its classification is classified as direct method and also indirect method. Right? So next, direct liquid level measurement. Okay, direct maksudnya direct. Okay, so lebih simple lah. Okay, mudah terus je dapat bacakan level liquid tu. Okay, method which the actual liquid level is directly indicated by a simple mechanical type of device. Okay, the first example is dipstick method. Okay, this method is how to measure the liquid level is by determining the liquid level by dipping a graduated rod in a liquid. Okay, application. So what's the application? The example state here is level of oil in car engine. Okay, so you ada kereta, and then macam mana kita nak measure minyak hitam dalam kereta kita tu? Perasan kan ada dipstick tu, rod tu, dan bila kita celup, kita boleh tengok aras minyak enjin kita tu dah kat mana dah. Okay, and also level of oil in petrol station. Ni kalau you all notice, pekerja dekat petrol station tu ada masa-masa tertentu dia kena ukur tangki kat bawah tanah tu dah tinggal berapa dah minyak dalam simpanan. Okay, so the advantages is economic. Okay, simple je, tak perlukan apa-apa, hanya perlukan sebatang rod sahaja. Okay, and drawbacks is not accurate, moving fluid not possible for real time observation. Okay, contohnya macam kereta kan, kalau you nak measure the liquid level, boleh ke lepas you dah pergi gerakkan kereta tu, pergi pusing-pusing, lepas tu baru you nak measure the level? Okay, tak accurate ya. Okay, selalunya kita akan measure bila awal pagi, kereta tak gerak lama tu, waktu tu lah kita sesuai untuk ukur. Right? So next is sight glass method, or we call it piezometer. Okay, so how about this method? It is determining the liquid level by a graduated glass tube, okay, here, mounted on the side of the liquid containing vessel for providing a visual indication of the liquid level. Okay, so paras yang kat luar ni, okay, reading glass tube ni sama dengan kat dalam tangki. Okay, so separas ni ialah ada scale, dan kita kena baca tangki tu daripada scale. Agak-agak contoh ni kat mana? Contoh pernah nampak kan tangki air yang besar tu? Okay, kat luar tu you akan nampak macam satu ruler panjang tu. Itu adalah sight glass method, contoh. Okay, ada banyak lagi lah contoh you boleh cari Google, tengok kat mana lagi. Okay, this glass tube made of toughened glass and provided with metallic protecting covers around them. Right? The meter cannot be neither too large or small. Okay, the advantages is simple and direct, clean and colored liquid, not suitable for dirty, viscous and corrosive liquids, and manual recording. Alright, next we move to next method, which is hook gauge method. Okay, how about this method? Is determining the liquid level in a large tank for accurate measure of very small changes. Okay, a small change in a large tank would mean large volumetric change. Okay, maksudnya jika ada tangki yang besar, okay, kita memang selalunya guna hook gauge method. Okay, contohnya tangki air kan, tangki air yang besar. So hook gauge ni, tip of the hook dia akan letak di dalam paras air tu, yang mana yang paling tinggi, yang mengikut paras lah. Okay, so setiap kali dia berubah, sini panggilnya ialah scale ni akan turut berubah. Okay, bermaksud walaupun turun sedikit, dia melibatkan volume yang besar. Sebab apa? You punya tank besar. Okay. Okay, advantages. The accuracy is up to plus minus 0.1 mm. Okay, but the drawbacks is manually operated and no automatic reading. So kena baca sendiri. So akan mudah jadi error. Right? Okay. So this is how hook gauge looks like. Okay. So ada hook dekat the surface. Okay, ni water surface kat sini. Okay, so dia akan berubah mengikut level air dan akan affect this meter reading. Okay. Next, we move to flute gauge method. Okay, so flute gauge method maksudnya ada flute lah dekat sini. Okay, ada flute dekat sini, ada tangki, and then pulley, sprocket wheel, pointer, and wick. Okay, so how it works? By determining the liquid level that always follow the varying liquid level. Right? The float usually use a hollow metal sphere, cylindrical ceramic float, or disc-shaped floats of synthetic material. Okay, so float ni akan berubah mengikut level air dan seterusnya memberi maklum balas lah kepada pulley dengan weight ni untuk bagi level indication. Okay, so this is the example of the float gauge. Okay, sama juga contoh penggunaannya di tangki. Float ni akan berubah mengikut level. Okay, so how it works? The instrument consists of a float, counterweight, and a flexible connection that may be a chain or a thin metallic perforated tip. The counterweight keeps the chain or tip taut as the liquid rises or falls with any change in the liquid level. Okay. The chain attached on a gear or sprocket wheel to which the pointer is attached. Any movement of this wheel would indicate on a suitable calibrated scale the level of the liquid in the tank. Alright? Okay, next. A floating body, because of its buoyancy, would always follow the varying liquid level. Okay, therefore, float-operated devices such as float gauge are capable of giving continuously direct liquid level measurement. The floats generally use are hollow metal spheres, cylindrical ceramic floats, disc-shaped floats of synthetic material. The top of the float is usually made sloping so that any solid suspension in the liquid do not settle on the float and change in weight. Okay, so bentuk dia selalunya ada slope sikit lah. Okay, supaya tak ada apa-apa yang kata tinggal atas tu dan akan efekkan berat. And then advantages of float gauge are sufficiently accurate when properly calibrated after installation. Disadvantages of float gauge is a proper correction required if there is any change in the liquid density due to a change in temperature. Okay. So they are the example of the liquid level measurement using float. Okay, float and shaft liquid level gauge. Okay, and then linear potentiometer liquid level gauge and rotary potentiometer liquid level gauge. Right? So the advantages, it can capable of giving continuous direct liquid level measurement. Okay, but the drawbacks is proper correction is required if there is a change in the liquid density. Okay, next we move to automatic level control system. Okay, so how it works? To provide automatic control, this machine, electronics or computer replace the operation of the human. Okay, an instrument called sensor is added that is able to measure the value of the level and convert it to the proportional signal S. Okay, so kita ada signal sensor lah seperti dalam gambar ni. Okay, sensor ni akan bagi maklumat berapa tinggi ataupun berapa perubahan yang dalam tangki ni. Okay, the signal is provided as input to the machine, electronic circuit or computer called controller. Okay, the controller performs the function of the human in evaluating the measurement and providing the output signal U to change the valve setting via an actuator connected to the valve by mechanical linkage. Right? When automatic control is applied to systems like the one in figure above, which are designed to regulate the value of some variable to set a point, it is called a process control. Okay, tapi apa kekurangan apa? Kelebihannya lebih tepat. Okay, betul. Tapi kekurangannya dia akan melibatkan kos yang tinggi. Okay, sebab apa ni satu proses kontrol kan? Melibatkan equipment, melibatkan maintenance dan sebagainya. Okay, right, we move to the next types of liquid level measurement, which is indirect. Okay, indirect liquid level measurement. So the method which the actual liquid level is indirectly indicated by a simple mechanical type of device. Okay, so for the example is hydrostatic pressure level measurement device, bubbler, capacitor level gauge, ultrasonic level gauge, and nucleonic gauge. Okay, so the first one is hydrostatic pressure level gauge. Okay, so as you can see here, there are tank reference for level measurement, and also pressure gauge calibrated in level measurement. So how it works? The hydrostatic pressure created by a liquid is directly related to the height of the liquid column, which is pressure equals to rho GH. Therefore, a pressure gauge is installed at the bottom or on the side of the tank containing the liquid. So kita tengok tadi lah. Okay, ada yang the bottom, ada yang the side. Okay, the rise and fall of the liquid level causes a corresponding increase or decrease in the pressure P, which is directly proportional to liquid level H. The die or scale of the pressure gauge is calibrated in the units of level measurement. This gauge functions smoothly when the liquids are clean and non-corrosive. For corrosive liquid with solid suspension, diaphragm sealed between the fluid and the pressure gauge are generally employed. Next, the last example is ultrasonic level gauge. Okay, as you can see here, ultrasonic level gauge ada transmitter and receiver. Okay, transmitter will give ultrasonic incident wave and receiver will ultrasonic reflected wave. Okay, receiver ni akan terima balik. Okay, so let's see how it works. Sound waves are directed towards the free surface of the liquid from an ultrasound transmitter. Okay, here. This wave get reflected from the surface of the liquid and are received by the receiver. Okay, sentuh permukaan. Okay, ultrasonic wave ni dia sentuh permukaan liquid and then reflected to the receiver. Okay, in this technique, liquid level variation are quite accurately determined by detecting the total time taken by the wave to travel to the liquid and then back to the receiver. Okay, we call it time travel technique. Okay, the time from transmitter go to the surface and go back to the receiver. Okay, so the liquid level are defined by this time travel taken. The longer this time travel, the farther away is the liquid surface. Betul? Which is a major indication of the liquid level. Okay, lagi lama wave ni nak sampai ke surface. Okay, maksudnya lagi jauh lah kedudukan level liquid ni. So lagi ke bawah lah. Okay, therefore it requires high degree of experience and skill to operate since the actual instrument is very expensive. Okay, so this is the references. Okay guys, so this is the end of the chapter 6. Okay, so as you can see, there are some types to measure the flow and also to measure the liquid level. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Good luck and Assalamualaikum.